In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share AppSheet App. Whether you're rolling out a tool to your team or inviting testers, the process is quick and secure. First, open your browser and go to appsheet.com. If you're not already in, you may be prompted to sign in so you can access your workspace. Once the dashboard loads, look toward your navigation and open the Recent section. This view highlights the apps you've worked on most recently, which makes it easy to grab the right project without hunting around. Next, move into the Apps area to see the full list of apps you own or can edit. Find the app you want to distribute and click it to open it in the editor. Take a brief moment here to confirm you've got the right one by checking the app name and a quick preview. If you're planning to invite external users, make sure your plan and data permissions support that. It will save you troubleshooting later. With the correct app open, head to the top right corner and click the share icon. It usually looks like a person with a plus or a classic share arrow. This opens the sharing panel where you control exactly who can use the app. In the sharing panel, add email addresses for each person who needs access, or enter an approved domain if your organization uses a single domain for all users. AppSheet will send invitations to the addresses you add, and those people will be able to open the app using the same sign-in method you use. If role or access options are visible, pick the level that matches what each person needs, like basic usage versus editing. If you prefer to distribute without typing addresses one by one, open the Share Links section. Here, the platform provides a unique link for your app that you can distribute through chat, email, or your internal portal. Copy the link and share it with your audience. Before you send it widely, it's a great idea to test the link yourself in a private browser window and on a mobile device if your users will install it there. Remind recipients to sign in with the same email you authorize so access checks pass smoothly. That's it, your app is now shared. Keep an eye on your user list for any access requests and revoke or adjust permissions anytime from the same sharing panel.